Good day to you all. As I always say on our practice questions lessons, make sure you watch till the end and take notes where possible. Today's lesson is based on the notes that I made when taking practice questions. Hope the way I study helps a lot of you out there. Welcome to another lesson of Technology for All Academy, an academy that teaches information communication technology for free. To mention but a few, we have Cisco and Microtik series, and we'll be doing other vendor series in the future. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Tabamakobe, the founder of Technology for All Academy. In our lesson today, I'll be reading from my notes and performing practical of what I'm reading. Hope the style that I'm using for studying helps a lot of you to prepare for any kind of exam that comes your way. Without any waste of time, let's begin our lesson. This lesson is based on Windows configuration. Let me read the first statement, which is about Windows settings. And it says, the account settings menu in Windows is specifically designed to manage user accounts, including creating, modifying, or deleting accounts, as well as configuring sign-in options such as passwords, pins, and biometric authentication. And I wrote the steps to access it, which is Start, Settings icon, Accounts on the left menu. So let me perform the steps that I wrote. Click on Start. We go to Settings icon. Then on the left we go to Accounts. And when you scroll down, we can see signing options. And when I open signing options, we can see that we have facial recognition, fingerprint recognition, PIN, security keys, just like as said on the statement that I just read. I want you to take note that facial recognition and fingerprint recognition are biometric authentication. I also want to let you know that in Windows 11 version 25H2, which is the version that I'm using, you can no longer create accounts locally on your computer. Microsoft is shifting everything to the cloud. If you would like to learn how to create accounts locally, you'll have to use Windows 10 or earlier versions of Windows 11. With that said, let me read other statements about account settings. And the following statement says, the family and other user section within the account settings menu is specifically designed for managing additional accounts on the system. By selecting Add a family member, the user can create a new account for the family member, allowing them to have their own personalized settings, files, and access permission. If Microsoft was still letting us to do local configuration, then let me go back, going to scroll down to accounts, and then there we have family. You click on family, but as you can see right now, if I click add someone, you can see that it's not allowing us to do it locally. It's looking for Microsoft account. Okay, let me cancel. And another statement says the signing option section is used to configure authentication methods such as password, pins, and biometric authentication. Yes, we did it. And lastly, we have the access work or school section is used to connect the system to organizational account such as work or school account. Let me go back, and if you scroll down, there you have access work or school. You're going to click on it and then create your account. But as you can see, add a work or school account. If I click on connect, still looking for Microsoft account. So you can see that everything has been moved to the cloud. We are done with accounts. Next, in Windows settings, we have display resolution and color settings are managed through the display settings menu. To access, start settings icon, system on the left and display on the right menu. Okay, let me get out. We did use the start settings icon and system when we're accessing the account. The other way that we can access the Windows settings is by clicking our Windows key on our keyboard and I at the same time. Then I'll go to system and then we're going to click on display for display settings. And as you can see, you have things like your brightness, night light, color profile, display resolution, display orientation. Those are the things that we get in the display settings, or the things that you can manipulate. Multiple display. Okay, let me close. And now we move to File Explorer or indexing options. And the statement says indexing options are configured in the indexing options menu, which is a part of the File Explorer options. It has no connection to user accounts or sign-in options. To access, explore, view, options, search. Okay, and to do that, let's go to File Explorer. Then we go to options, these three dots here. We click these three dots and click on options. Then we click on search. And there you have your indexing options. How to search. Don't use the index when searching in file folders for system files. Let me click cancel and close File Explorer. Let's move on to accessibility or ease of access. And the statement says interaction settings within the ease of access or accessibility menu are specifically designed to help users with physical disabilities. This section includes options like a sticky key, which allow users to press keyboard shortcuts one key at a time, and mouse keys, which enables the numeric keypad to control the mouse pointer. These settings are tailored to improve interaction with the computer for users with accessibility needs. And the second statement says the display settings in ease of access or accessibility are used to adjust visual elements such as text size, screen brightness, and high contrast modes to assist users with visual impairment. And then we have also audio settings in ease of access or accessibility are focused on assisting users with hearing impairment. They include options like turning on visual notification for system sound or enabling mono audio. And to access, let me hit my Windows key and I. Then we go to accessibility. And as you can see, there we have for vision, it's for vision impairment. We have text size, visual effects, mouse pointer and touch, text cursor, magnifier, color filters, contrast theme, and narrator. And for hearing, we have audio, which is mono audio and audio notification. Hearing devices, presets, environment sound control or audio routing, and captions, styles or live captions. And for interactions, we have speech, which has voice access and voice typing, and keyboard, sticky, filter, and toggle keys on screen keyboard. Mouse, we have mouse keys, speed, acceleration. Eye control, we have eye tracker and text to speech. This is to help people with disability or impairment. This brings us to the end of our lesson. Hope this lesson was informative and beneficial. And if you benefited a lot from it, please don't hesitate to share with someone who will also benefit from it. And please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you can be notified when we drop another lesson. With that said, let me love and leave you. Have a blessed day. Thank you.